in the western side, and we are underway at the Kakyeka Stadium. The yellow with the black patches into those black shorts, and with a fine touch.
Thank you so much. I'm Simon Peter Joke, assistant coach, Maroons Football Club. Today it was a bit tough game because it wasn't the result that we wanted, but we managed to get a point. It is a plus to our players, but it was a very physical game because we saw that the opponents are using a strategy of long balls, which we had to make sure that we organize our defense very well, and we saw that Okau was very solid. That's why he managed to win the man of the match. He managed to contain Chitageni. We also saw that since the opponents were playing long balls, so we decided to put the ball down to try to counter press them with their possession. But the surface was not all that favoring us, but we tried. We managed very hard. That is why we created so many chances. We saw the likes of Darius Ojok giving hard time to the opponent's defense. We saw also Mpaji was trying to commit spaces, which was very promising. Senior player Rombi Ronald, he also was trying to control the game in the center of the park. But as Maroons Football Club, the long journey that we made, the point we have received, it is a plus for us. We can build on that to see that in the next game we go back and revise and see we can correct the mistakes.
Tubadde tusuubira kuba nga tufuna 3 points. Naye mu game always mubeeramu emikisa esatu. Mubeeramu okuwangula, okudrawinga, olumu n'okuluzinga. Naye tusobodde okufuna point emu. Kyensuubira etuyambye ku kigendererwa kyaffe. Ekigendererwa kyaffe ttiimu tusigala mu liigi. Kyensuubira ttiimu eri comfortable mu liigi. Ttiimu egera sigala mu liigi. Tugenda kuddayo twetereeze okulaba leero tetusobodde kuteera. Geemu eddako tulabe nga tusobola okuteera.
Osuubira nti abalenzi bo tebabadde nnyo sharp okucreatinga chances ezivaamu ggwanga?
Kituufu nti leero tetubadde nnyo aggressive mu maaso. Kyensuubira tugenda kuddayo tulabe nga tukikolako okuba nga tuli aggressive. Tubadde waka naye nga tuli aggressive. Tusobodde okulaba ttiimu almost tuggyeyo abantu abasinga nga bastrikers bonna mu maaso. Naye tetusobodde kuteeba goal. Naye tugenda kuddayo twetegereze okuba nga tusobola okuteera.
Looks on, delivers the cross, delicious.